Namaste, my name is Gaurav Paudel from Bhaktapur. Currently, I am learning BIT from 𝐏𝐻𝐿 College, Kathmandu. And in Dursikshya education, I am currently learning Python with Django course for further development of web. I found Dursikshya from my Facebook page where I was searching for front-end development, through which I learned Python with Django with extra back-end development courses. While visiting to Dursikshya, I found the staff and operations team are well professional, and they guided me through proper information about the courses. Teacher is well trained and he quietly revised the courses and give proper education on the same topic. So I would like to suggest my friend to visit Dursikshya once more, as it is the best IT consultancy for further courses from basic to advanced level up to 6-month run time, through which you can gain proper knowledge about IT courses you are trying to learn. Thank you.